Hello everyone, welcome back to Shopee Master 101. Today I have a little bit of a special video. Normally I will shoot from the laptop, but one of the most common questions that I'm getting is how to process orders. So I thought I would show you the whole process from A to Z today. So, first thing, we will have the order and then we will click on Arrange Shipment, but I have already done that. Once you click Arrange Shipment, you will see this screen. Shopee will auto-generate this tracking number for you. It will also tell you the courier that it has chosen. Okay, then you can click Print Waybill, or you can click it from here. Alright, so when you click on Print Waybill, actually normally I start from the bottom top. So when you click on Print Waybill, Shopee will take you to this page. It will generate this waybill for you. Click on Print the document and then Print Waybill. So now, once I do that, the printer will start working. Now, one thing I want you to notice is that the waybill is actually only quarter of the paper. Okay, what I normally do to distinguish the item, I'll put a small note here. So this is 1 plus D. You decide the code. I know what's this item now. Okay, now to save on paper, to print the next waybill, I will put the paper back here. You need to experiment on this a little bit until you know which corner to do in order not to overlap the waybills. Okay, so I will put the paper back and then I will go back here, close the waybill and then click on Print Waybill for the next order. Alright, same process again. Print the document, enter, wait for the waybill to be printed. Now notice how, let me just put the code B. Alright, notice how this courier is Boslaju and the other waybill on the other side is GNT. Alright, so Shopee now automatically chooses these couriers when the buyer buys. It's not the buyer that chooses them anymore. I will put the paper back in the printer again and then I'll print the next order, and so on and so forth. So basically each A4 paper will fit 4 waybills. Okay, so alright, put it back again, print the 4th waybill, just another B. Alright, print waybill, code, and then this page is finished. I have a half paper from yesterday, so I will use it to print the next waybill, the last waybill for today. Okay, print waybill, print the document, enter. Now once I print this document, you will also notice that at the end over here it's a little bit gone, you know, it's not full compared to this waybill, for example. See, under there will be a tracking number. That is totally fine, you don't have to worry about that. As long as you have the barcode here, the QR code here, it's totally fine. You don't have to worry about this. Okay, so this is 1 plus S. Okay, our next step will be cutting the paper. So I will demonstrate how to pack 2 products. This is one of the products that I want to sell today, that I want to send. It's this waybill. Okay, so the idea is that I want to put this product into the bag and then I will put this waybill on the bag, on the product. Okay, so depending on the parcel size, you will choose the size of this bag. This is called a bucket. You can get it from Shopee. You just need to search for bucket for this one. Some of these, sorry, this is not a bucket. It's a flyer. Sorry, yeah, that's the name. It's a flyer. Some of the flyers have buckets in them that you can actually put the waybill inside the bucket. Once you put the waybill inside, like this, you can put the product inside the bag. It will have a tape here. You can simply just remove it and tape it, and it's ready to send. The next bag is the bigger one. It doesn't have a pocket, so there is also this item here that is called a pocket. You can also get it from Shopee. The purpose of this pocket is that you can put the waybill inside of it, right? Make sure it's facing up, and then you will remove the tape. It has tape all over it, so remove the two-sided part, and then you will stick it to this bag. Okay. After that, you can just put the product that you want to send inside.